Dorí kodò kò yé ni mọ́. Ibo là ń lọ ènìyàn ó sùn nìyẹn.
Stanley Wall, for what on
Jesus!
Okumilelo is here. I didn't know. Good
Here
afternoon.
is God.
I'm sorry.
My mommy call.
We don't speak Yoruba in the ministry. What do you want?
Jelly, you don't speak Yoruba in the ministry.
See, what do you want?
Okay, no problem. Please, where's mommy? I want to see her.
Mommy is not around.
But I want to see her. I don't know why.
What happened? What happened? Why are you finding mommy?
Just forget about that. Where's mommy?
I said, where are you finding mommy? Mommy is not at home.
Wait, let me go.
Madman.
Wèrè.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ìdàgbà tó ìwèrè ńlẹ̀ ilẹ̀ ń gbọ̀n báyìí. Kí ló ṣe yín gangan sọ̀rọ̀?
Mo ní mo fẹ́ ní wọn.
Mommy is in the ministry.
Ẹ bá lọ́jà fẹ́ ṣe é sí àlè lọ sọ́dọ̀ wọn.
Will you keep quiet?
Àní mọ́mí wà nù ministry ní báwo la fẹ́ dọ̀dọ̀ wọn? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Because mo wọ́n sì ta bá lọ atúlẹ̀ lọ pàdé wèrè lọ́nà.
Wèrè wo gan lẹ rí? Do you know my name?
But Jelly ló kẹ́ náà.
Ọmọ mọ́mí. Don't worry, if we see wèrè, I know what to do.
She what? So you mean what you are saying?
Yeah, mommy, I know what to do. Go.
So you mean what you are saying?
Don't worry, let's go.
Jelly.
Don't you know my name? Let's go. Who is this?
This is the real Willie I'm talking about.
She what? I don't get it. I think you said is a woman weary. But this is a man weary.
Why are you now?
I think he's asking for his debt. Ẹni tó bá jẹ gbèsè ló máa san.
Jelly!
Pay your debt.
Jelly!
So thanks so much for watching our video. Mo bẹ̀ yín ni ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wa subscribe. Tẹ́ bá ti subscribe kẹ́ dẹ̀ make sure pé ẹ bá wa comment. Next week Tuesday náà ni kẹ́ máa expect a nice episode. See you next week Tuesday.